days.
52 years old.
How old are you?
52.
52.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, everybody
God.
baby.
Mm,
Everybody baby.
52. You live in Rowstone as well?
Yes, sir.
Charming baby.
And my mother died.
Your mother died? How long ago was that?
From 2015.
15. 15.
Call them fish and good. Them can't sit through my eye.
Yeah. Can I sit you just one day?
This too.
Same can I sit you with that as well? So that means saying it not look blurry or anything, it not see clear. So it's just something with the right behind the skin
Yeah,
then.
and just a swelling here, so.
Well,
Here, so.
yeah, it's a swelling.
Swelling around it.
That hurt you when you touch it? No. Yeah. So
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
oh my days.
52 years old.
How old are you?
52.
52.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, everybody
days.
baby.
Mm,
Everybody baby.
52. You live in Rowstone as well?
Yes, sir.
Charming baby.
And my mother died.
Your mother died? How long ago was that?
From 2015.
15. 52. You're still looking healthy and strong though.
Thank you,
52.
Last week was my birthday.
Last week was your birthday?
Next 1 week.
Yeah, my baby then, man. Like how you're everybody baby, you are my baby now. You know, Angela. Wow. So how do you feel though?
Good, strong.
Feel strong. So who look after her?
Well, everybody drum prone. Everybody drum prone. And then the neighbor in our yard, then help out with that too. We live next door, so we in our yard, we help out sometimes them. You know, who we drum prone, tidy up our house, help her cook, and you know, wash our clothes and all of them something like that.
Okay.
But right now, tell him what you
Good
need.
help.
Yeah.
House a jack down.
Oh, your house a drop down. Don't forget low. So why does someone help you on your house?
Yeah. And more money to spend otherwise. More food.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when she shouldn't have did mash up grandmother behind.
Yeah.
When she get a fridge, but it want a motor.
Oh.
Yes. So the fridge where she get ready, you know, it just want a motor.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So she look all of that little assistant.
Yeah.
Yeah. She look at little assistant.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not telling you. Should we get the help?
Yeah.
Should we definitely get the help? Yeah.
And so because when you step on the flooring,
Yeah.
really, I go down.
Yeah.
And she go to TrenchTown.
Wait.
Yeah, we should stay, man. Oh, she want to sit down?
She want to sit down? I'm going to listen.
Feel dizzy? She sit down. She sit down. Give her some water.
You want what?
You want water? Are you alright?
Give her some water.
Drink the pipe out and sit.
Yeah, the hot water. Or the chair. I want so much she can sit back. Well, the next chair then. Yeah, she can sit back.
Drink some of my water, no?
Take her come on, drink some of the water. Chair.
Yeah, but our neighbor, them in the yard, them jump round and them help her.
Them help. Everybody respect, you know.
Them jump round and them help her because our neighbor, that is my niece, it all look like assistant for her too. Yeah. But not really come true, so.
As yet.
Yeah.
How are you feeling now? Are you feel alright now?
Excitement.
Oh, it's because of excitement. Oh. Did this always happen?
I asked for some help. I really wanted to come to the you because one day when the storm, the walk on my floor, no fatty to can walk in there now. Yes, because the walk.
It's a
Break. It's bored.
board.
I think so.
And she just have one little one burner hot plate.
Yeah.
And where they burn out and a one man Bridget.
Oh.
Yeah, cause you know so she go and do a little tea.
Yeah.
But she cook as simple as the Saturday, you know, she will cook a little food and so.
You want to plate? A plate down there? One more? Go on for you.
Yes, so
Go on for that
You know?
Yeah.
and a little help, she'd have grateful for it and so.
That's share them. Let me get them on that lower chair. That
Yeah,
chair more.
Your chair.
Put that one as well. Go, Margaret.
Layer one.
Yeah, drink the water, drink some more.
Yeah, drink some more water. Yes, sit down water again.
I think you're driving.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
More street.
Okay. Okay.
The road will go across from Sister
Yeah.
Street.
Okay. So you live close, not the same area.
Yeah, man, the whole sure will live right.
Go over there somewhere.
She, me live here, sir, and she live over there.
That's near the golden
we just
age, you
there,
know. And that's
next
why
door
I
neighbor.
go capside this.
Okay. So basically they're close to the golden age.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have two persons here and tell them definitely need the help, you know. Definitely need the help. He's 17 man, you really touch. Just repeat the name again so them can get it.
Ricardo Baker.
Ricardo. This is Ricardo who is 17 years old. You know, and you have Angela here who is 52 and them both need some form of assistance. You know, Angela said she needs some form of assistance and now she need food. You know, because we have what's your name again? Charmian, who always try for assist. You know, and
Everybody jump around. Charming, him. But she need Charming sister name.
I need to name Dulcie. I need help me out.
Yeah.
Dulcie.
oh,
People in the yard jump around. Everybody in Angela.
yeah.
I'm a part of the church in Edmonton, but I'm going to leave September.
Okay.
Most important thing is about for the corona get I know and then something there. One himself even want some, you know, little cash to buy little food and then something there.
Yeah.
Also one thing. Everything there.
She need the overall help. You need emergency.
Yeah, need emergency help right now. Because if I'm not telling me this sound like it's really need of help. You know, because food and everything is the main thing.
What's your name, sir?
Hold on. Go on, Ricky.
What's your name?
My name is Kino.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so this is Kino. So, all know about the program. Someone.
Somebody came to Miss Monica.
Somebody about need.
Yeah.
And they said to me to go over 3rd Street to the Dream Team. So me never feel too well. And the next day was a storm, so we have to stay in. So we said, after tell she and tell us after the storm we're going come this morning, but you weren't here. So we decided to come back in the evening. My daughter don't want the crowd. She just wants you to talk to her one side.
Yeah. You understand, but remember to show the program, and that's the only way you can get the help.
Yeah,
like,
but talk to her one side.
Yeah, you talk to her one side and then to see what can go on then, right?
Yeah.
Because we really want to try see what we can do with the viewers and the donors then. We try and assist them in some form or way. You know. So we have an athlete as well too. You can use this. Yeah, this is the person who send these stuff, you know. Her name is, she was known by the secret place of the Most High. Just like we explained about the athlete, you know, you come the right time, and we just get some stuff. So you can get this one, you can have that way, you can help out yourself.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, so that's a secret. They call themselves the secret place of the Most High.
Yes, sir.
You know, and you can just use this and buy something when if anything comes up.
Thank you very
So we'll try to get a contact number for you and see what can get done. You know, so at least that can try and do something for the minute. So, you know, but the video go out, you know, someone will try and reach out. You know, because there will be a lot of them, baby, you know, the two of them. Because the need is there. You know, and this program always try to assist in any way we can. Yeah? Yeah, Ricardo, we definitely going to try and see if we can assist you in any way. Yeah? I'm going to see what we can do. And so you say you don't really believe in the herbal treatment and everything there.
Maybe it works, maybe not, but that's not my belief. I don't believe it works. So, but anyway, the mother believes in it, and she's working very hard trying to support it.
Yeah. So you can see the need of Angela and Ricardo, and we are hope and praying that we can get some form of assistance for them, you know, because they're not living in this side of TrenchTown, it's on the next side, you know, so we don't mind trying to assist people outside as well, because you can see the need is urgent. So we are asking in any form of assistance, you know, what we can do, or any information we can get for Ricardo and Ricardo's situation. And now we have Angela who explain her need, you know, so kind of understand the situation with the pandemic out there, and we know it's really tough. Most people is not working, because as you can see, the struggle is really real, you know, in the inner city where there's so much people in need of help, you know, it's really, really rough. And as you can see, like, you know, you can't really turn a blind eye whenever someone needs help. So the main thing I can really do is to try to highlight the situation and the need and see what we can do, you know, because, you know, we're trying to help each other, each one help one, you know, each one. So as we're there on the journey, see me, we are trying to see if something can manifest for them, you know, so, you know, hope and pray and see if anything can help. So God bless you all. I've been supporting this program right through, and the need is even deeper and more greater now than before. As you can see, the program and grow and the help is more needed at most. So people, blessings and give thanks, and we hope and pray we can get some form of assistance. You know, 3 team. Yeah, and as you were explaining to me about assistant there that they need.
Assistant. I guess the top of the house, the roofing, the Salitex to put up. I would like a little help to stretch out the kitchen a little more.
Okay.
Yeah, because I get two one fridge and I get a stove and them can't really hold in the kitchen. The stove outside.
The space is very confined.
The space small. The food for the poor house is very
small.
You know, the kitchen just small. Yes, so I got me the ask to get me for help with. Just do that part. And I have one son, him retarded, but me never carry him with me. I just leave him. You know, so him really can't go work. He can't really go work.
Yeah. How old is he?
39.
39. Okay.
I don't know if you know him. Yes, you know him. Yeah. I'm at 39. So. Yeah, I'm at 39. Him can't go work for himself. So me, I have to do everything for him. Like buying stuff. You know? Him beard himself, do everything. Yeah. Well, him know me have to do everything for him feel. Him can't go work for say buy nothing for himself. You know, and if him go trim me, I have to carry him. And me carry him got a barber right this already for come trim.
Oh, right here, sir.
Yeah, me carry him come trim. So me just leave him. Him the home, you know. So, you know, me don't know what kind of assistant me can get for him. Or so I just that.
Yeah, I understand. Well, we're gonna try because we say we don't do no work outside, so we don't mind, you know, stretch our legs and see what kind of need we can feel because the need is there and it need to be filled, you know. You know, through the pandemics.
One day, we just take a pass through and then you can see what is what, and you know, and so for yourself.
Yeah, we are taking a contact number. You know, if anything comes up, see me. You know, we are open for you. You can get some information from record the situation. You know, because you have nurse and this program and watch your program. But I can give you some farmer information. You know, and any farmer assistance we can get for Angela. Is it Angela?
Go over.
You want to go over?
Yeah, man.
You feel dizzy?
Yeah, man.
Baby drive down to
I am just gone.
here and see. I'm going to try to drive to make you go over there, yeah? So you always feel like this?
No, I'm looking for the excitement, sir.
Oh, the excitement.
Sit down out there good at time. Until I'm soon called.
Just breathe in, you know? Breathe in through your nose, you know? Inhale and exhale.
No, I'm not gonna lie though.
I just feel anxiety take her. Don't, just don't worry, yeah? I'll try and assist you in any way we can.
I have one father there.
Where I'm living over there too?
Yeah, every day and go and come back.
There's no L2.
The father must drink and jump.
Yeah, drink and jump until I say she's soon dead.
And but you're 52, and I can guarantee you say you more look healthier than him by far.
Yeah, too.
You know, you're fit. And I tell you, enough people are kind of reach out to you, you know, and record because we're not needed. So we are open prayers for what can happen because all this work, you know, put the video out, you know, we got the viewers them who watch the program. When they watch it now, we say what farmer assistance you can get.
Yes, sir.
You know,
so, the contact number.
Yeah, I'm going to take on the contact number and if anything comes up, you know, we come over there. Can we always cook for the elders them as well too?
Yeah.
So like I would know say in the out there, because we always cook for the elders them. So we can bring food, come over there as well. You know, because we always do that and sometimes we got donors who buy groceries. So we can give out to the less fortunate same way. So like when you come, we'll put them on the name on the list and we'll say it's part of the same movement, you know? Because it's well needed. It's well needed. You know? At least, yeah, it was we'll come over a little bit more another camera, so. Come over more now. Alright, let's take your time. Alright, they do. Yeah. So yeah, get dry ride. Should I get the dry ride? Yeah. Go on, try to get a drive so we can bring her back. Brother drive, but ask him. If anything, we can get a drive and see if we can bring them over.
Yes.
So I didn't say let's whoop and pray something. Yeah. And for fridge, should I need a fridge from fair size? So you have a small fridge them.
Okay.
Look at office fridge them.
Yeah.
So if you come over your house, I can't walk inside the floor.
Yeah, man, probably you walk.
So me and a job too.
But you don't feel like you're
Yeah, the pressure that sink it. Yeah, I understand. No man, eventually we'll come over there, so you know, we're gonna put this one out first, you know, and then the next step now, come over there and then we can highlight the situation. Yeah? So don't worry man, we try to come over here.
Armstrong with that, she want to talk to you without the camera. Probably about take time, we don't want the rain.
Alright then, yeah, we're going to talk to her. Make sure she sit down.
Yeah, man, she can sit down.
Can you drive to 5 minutes? Angela, 5 minutes, yeah? Yeah. Alright, yeah. Say 5 minutes past me to give you the jockey ride.
She bad?
Yeah. No man can ride for my back. Me run with you go over. Yeah? Alright. Yeah, so and that. Angela, you see?
Yeah.
You got 5 minutes or less?
Yeah, nice meeting you, Kino.
Alright, so take care. So you're not getting the jockey ride,
The car ride.
help her another child.
Hey, me too married and I can meet my husband.
So, you have a husband already? I'm sure you're my baby. Alright, hero. Look, go on with me. Alright, now go over now? Yeah. You can.
Hey, Kino.
Hold on. Blessed. Mommy, introduce yourself. What's your name?
McDonald.
Huh?
Amoy McDonald.
Amoy. And this is your son, right?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Anthony Daly.
Because someone been enlightening about the situation with him. You know, and them tell me say his mother live in Mexico. But we never get to come yesterday because of the rain. So a good thing we are passed back over here today now, I will see you. Because we don't want you to explain the situation with him. How old are you?
23.
23?
Yeah.
23. So, now I can explain some of the situation, then we can talk after that, yeah? Because you know the program work, like people watch the program, you know, and them see the situation. And we have nurses as well to watch the program and all these things. So, some form of assistance in any way we can. You know, the people them watch it, them will try and assist you. Because you know it work already, right? Yes. So we're here to try to help you in any way we can, you know. So what them say happen to him I?
Well, the small
I just 2 boil it come on it.
Two
From
bo-
the boil, 2 boil, and then from growing up, it starts swell.
Two
Then
boil.
a red thing grow,
Yeah, come on, sorry. Yeah.
and red thing grow in a it. So I start carrying go UC from them time there. So UC cut it. The 2 MRI already.
2 MRI.
Yeah.
And that determine the situation, like, so what them say happen?
Them still on the term because when they do the last MRI, them say me have some fluids on him brain. And the operation there.
Oh,
Then them still know. Me expect them to do one facial X-ray.
Yeah.
To show like when you do the MRI, you know show say nothing upon him it can cause the eye for push.
oh, you're not sure.
And them not do the facial one, so we end up they stop carrying.
Because that cost as well too. And how long ago now you say it happened again?
Long time, but
I'm about 23 now.
19 years.
boy not about 19 years.
So 19 years. And them still can't come up with no answers to
I
why.
constantly have to do MRI. MRI they done 2 already. So I said to the doctor, don't need to do a 3rd one because the second one don't show nothing. So the 3rd one now go show. Just do the facial one to see what pull the eye.
And not say nothing. So how much the operation the MRI the cost?
MRI the cost $32,000. That was the last one. I mean they did.
And the one before that?
Was 21,000.
21,000. So that one will be a different one. So when was the last time that you get the result? When you do the MRI?
Train about, I say about 2005.
Okay.
What time you at school?
2018.
Time there.
Yeah. From then till now. Yeah. And the thing is, you can't make it, and you can't allow it up like that, you know. So it pain you?
No.
Not pain you.
Sometimes it chunk matter.
You chump water sometimes.
Matter sometimes, yeah.
Matter. Yeah, so that really need to assist. So the next step you want to take is the face scan, right?
Yeah, the face to see the cause of it.
So to give you an idea how much that it cost?
No. No, me subject to them. Them not say it to me. I me say it to them.
And them want to get a go ahead. And them still not tell you what can get done.
No.
So what you plan for? You plan to bringing him back to try and see if they can get them to do that.
Get there, do the face one, yeah.
So them say them can do it?
Them never told me.
So yeah, some pharma specialists then we have to go try and see.
So them say you see the best doctors in respect. Them feel the best doctor up there. Could I do
That's
that?
which for that?
For you see.
Are the best doctor them you see?
Yeah?
Yeah. Them should have do better than that. And you see with them look situation into them feel like saying push out the money upon them and then look on the class where and feel like say
No, but usually work. I not owe them, I pay them.
yeah, we know, but you
Pay
know.
them.
Why? I don't know what to say. But we know you're gonna need it to bring him back. Because we can't allow it up. If you allow it up, you don't know where it can lead to. And so we have nurses who watch the program as well too, in the section. People will contact me and see what kind of information they can tell you what go on with it. Because you say you want a face MRI and them not say anything, so that means them probably don't do it like that. And it's either you can try to see a different doctor or a bigger heads where you can explain to them where you can get some form of information or you can go about it, because it need to be assist. Because a long time now you go back and it's going to get worse. Because if you not use anything to cure it, it only can get worse though. And I can't really stress you out. There's another thing I noticed though. I noticed it on film skin and I see it on your skin with your these. Let me see Anna, you have it on your Anna as well. So did that transfer from you to him?
Yeah, I'm sure that.
So what them say? What's that now?
Some family thing them say.
Some family thing.
I remember swear name and long name. But I don't know nobody from my mother's side and my father's side of it.
I understand this doctor work sometime because I'm not giving steady information, you know, like can it do any damage to the blood or do damage to you or anything? They don't say anything.
No, it can remove.
It can remove.
Yeah, it can remove. I remove the big one them yet now, I'm cut it. But chest my go. Yeah. But chest my go do them here.
Not so
I'm not like him born with them.
I'm not born with them?
No, never have them.
And that costs a whole heap of money for do as well too. I have to remove everything. I know say you know work or anything at the minute though, cause since through the COVID. So I don't want to get some more information, you know, so the one if you can say if you can go to the doctor or something. Alright, so soon as I put the video out, if we can get any information, we can see what can go on. Because we're going to need to assist some. Yeah, I know. You know, so because as I say, once the video go out, you know, we know that your mom, she's not working. So the situation is really tough on her because she's going to need the financial help. You know, and see me that way. You can go and see the doctor, the first stage, you know, and see if they can get a face scan done, MRI, and you can determine what's going on with the eye. But there's some, I know say if I overseas or somewhere, they give you a lot of answers already according to the eye.
Because them vision good. Them can see through my eye.
Yeah. Can see you just one day.
This too.
Same can see you that as well. So that means saying it don't look blurry or anything, it don't see clear. So it's just something with the right behind the skin then.
Yeah, just a swelling here so.
It's a swelling.
Swelling around it.
That hurt you when she touch it? No. Yeah. So I wonder if
me just feel like I them here.
there.
One them here.
I'm just like I say.
And my big daughter, she have them, but she fit circulate down here up on her foot. And it big. Me carry her chest. Them cut off. But them are cut off. But round here so still swell. They cut from here so come up here so. Tell her about I go back for them cut it car. They can spoil up her foot. We carry up public them say as poor circulation. By stacking
Still the same.
still same.
So that
So I'm going to transfer my to chest with that.
yeah. So it seems like that's the same situation because it now feel no pain or anything like that. So it can be that. So if I need an upper, so yeah. What them tell us a tumor?
Tumor, yeah, but it's not cancerous.
It's not cancerous. And them tell us a tumor. So them say operation can be done?
Them never say.
So how this make you feel? Because you're not getting no answers where you want to get. Because you are telling me this, me I feel upset. So no, say the doctor then give no form of information.
So
like.
that's why me stop came come and say I'm in a sense.
Yeah, no,
I've been carrying him and still them the pan MRI. I say, but sir, I'm done two already, don't know. Three done. We say don't need to do a fourth one. Do something different. My friends say and I brain cause it. The facial officer what pushing out the eye. Not do nothing. What time ago? I have to pay about here already fee.
Yeah.
I mean when we usually came I was 2,000 lie. $350. The last time I came at 2,000 now.
Yeah. And then how much them charges to the doctor? Doctor?
2,000 for registration. No.
Yeah.
No, them time I don't know about now.
No.
Yeah.
3-5. Come know so the price gone up me the year about that. So you gotta try and see. I'm gonna ask anyone who can try and support you. You know, like for you're a part of the program now, can support you, we can go and see the doctor. You know, we can get some form of information, know where we can take from there, which step to take next. Because right now the page is blank. Because you know nothing what's going on, you have a clue what's going on because there's now you no information. And that's the most stressing part. Because know that stress you out. So know that you just sit down and play a waiting game and it's only gonna get worse. You know, I mean, feel like the operation can get done because if him vision no damage, there's a
cut here, so I'm not gonna touch it. Just cut here and see.
yeah,
What in
leak or
right. When the doctor operate for him, it's like the doctor stitch down here, so it hardly can open fully.
Oh, so him stitch it down.
Like him stitch down, stitch down a part here, so like hardly can
open.
Yeah, and then so when him do the operation, the swelling is done, and then the swelling come up and I get better. One red thing up here, so the growth come like a one ball, come down here. We might go primary school. Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna go work because you're a lady, you believe in God, though, and you have faith. You know, and you know, once you pray, you know, we always ask for the help, see me. You see me, we ask if he was on my donors for some form of help. We can visit back the doctor and see what can get done. You know, and that's gonna be you start all over again right now. Because now you don't have no information on what go on. So we have to go start back over again. You know, I'm gonna take a contact number as well too. We will keep in touch. So you know no phone?
I have my phone, but my son chipping it, but I eat him use.
So you know the number either. Yeah, I think there's a way wake up. I think there's a way.
You know me?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, so we I forgot to do that. Or we can try, you see, because when the video go out, whenever someone contact me, I will contact you and let you know that you get this funding where you can go to see the doctor. And then now from there, doctor tell you what we can get done for MRI. Because the sister you need the strength. You understand? Because I can't say you feel it yourself. You know? And a long time now. It's too long. And this is a stress out any mother. You understand? We just stress out anyone. Because it don't make you feel happy, though. It can't make you feel happy. So you think about it a lot. You must also pray too, you know, because it can get better. It depends on your neck as well too. At the same thing this.
Yeah. Fully more.
So I feel like it because if that can cut off of the hand and it heal, that can operate and something can get done. Without a doubt, I believe that can happen. So we definitely have to try that for you. Yeah? And what I know is tough, you know. What I stress down too much, because you have to stay strong for you, know. You know, because you know, I might look up to mommy same. If you see her worried and stressed, you might do the same. You know, so you have to just keep that fighting spirit. Like, I'm still like you have it in you. You know, yeah, you see you have it in you. So don't stop fight. Yeah? And there's faith and hope something can come out of this. Yeah? You see me, man, don't worry. Yeah? Just hold the faith, see me, yeah? And I'll keep in touch with them.
Okay.
Yeah? I'm just saying I have nurse, we're gonna explain to them and see what can get done and anyone will send something. Yeah? Alright, then take care, yeah, John?
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.